everybody, so welcome back to another refrigerator YouTube video. So I hope you're as excited as I am. And today we're going to be teaching Kayla Kallikrein. Yes, Kayla Kallikrein. We're going to be teaching her to count, and in doing so, we are going to learn the coagulation cascade. And I ask you if you just give me a few moments of your time, I'll reduce your anxiety about the coagulation cascade, and I'll pump you up so much you'll want to write it on every single refrigerator you can find. All right? All right. So let's go ahead and get started. So to help Kayla Kallikrein study for her exam, we want her to start by counting down from 12. Okay? So we say, count down from 12, Kayla Kallikrein. She says, all right. She says 12. Then she says 11. Then she says 9. And then 8. And then she goes, I went out of order. Meant to say 10. We say, oh, that's all right, Kayla Kallikrein. So we said, you know what? She goes, instead of counting down, she goes, can you ask me some math problems? I really want to focus on my math skills. We said, okay, Kayla Kallikrein, we want you to add up two numbers that would get you to 10. And she goes, well, that would be 3 plus 7. We say, great, Kayla Kallikrein, you're on a roll. We go, all right, we'll give you a tougher one. You know, kids starting to get it now. We got to start to challenge her. So we're going to say, what is 10 divided by 5? And she goes, oh, well, that's 2. And then she says, oh, I could just count down from 2 then. And that's 1. We say, wonderful, Kayla Kallikrein. She goes, but I forgot my math test starts at 13. And there you go. There's a simplified version of the coagulation cascade with all the factors. Let's go through it in more of a medical jargon term. So, yeah, medical jargon term. No, in medical terms, not jargon, medical terms. So basically, Kallikrein can activate 12, which can activate 11, and then this activates 9, and 8 serves as a cofactor. So that's why I wrote those like that. And this from here is your intrinsic pathway. Okay, and then everything comes down here to 10. So the way I remember this is, we didn't learn this in lecture, but factor 3, if you Google it, is actually called tissue factor. Okay, so tissue factor is factor 3. You take 3 plus 7, which are the two factors that work together, then you get 10. And then if you take 10 divided by 5, because 10 works with factor 5, then you get 2, which is thrombin, and then you get 1, which is fibrin. And then, as we learned, fibrin forms a cross strand with factor 13. So there you go. Those two are together. So just to make sure that I'm complete, here is your extrinsic, and then here is your common pathway. And one other thing that I might want to notice or might want to comment on here is that we learned of two clinical terms that they use for evaluating the timing of these cascades, and this is the PT over here, the prothrombin time, to get down here to thrombin. And then we also learned of the PTT, or I think it's like prothrombin thromboplastin time. And basically, just look, extrinsic pathway shorter, it has 2 factors, PT 2 factors, PTT is a longer term, and there's much more factors in the intrinsic pathway. So there you go. I hope that you enjoyed my refrigerator YouTube video, and hope to have another one in the future. Take care, good luck, let's go.